This table shows the boiling point of common solvents at 1 atmosphere pressure. For instance, acetone boils at 56.05 degrees Celsius, while water boils at a higher temperature of 100 degrees Celsius. Table 2. The molar mass of an element refers to the mass of 1 mole of its atoms. For example, oxygen has a molar mass of 16.00 gram per mole, while natrium has a molar mass of 22.99 gram per mole. This graph illustrates the relationship between temperature and reaction rate. As the temperature increases, the reaction rate also increases exponentially. At lower temperature, the reaction is relatively slow, but as we move towards higher temperature, rate rises significantly. This trend is consistent with the Arrhenius equation, which states that reaction rate increases as temperature rises due to higher molecular collisions and activation energy. For example, at 80 degrees Celsius, the reaction rate is much higher than at 30 degrees Celsius, indicating a significant impact of temperature on reaction speed. This energy profile diagram illustrates the energy change during an endothermic reaction. The reaction starts with reactant at a lower energy level. As the reaction proceeds, energy is absorbed, reaching a peak at the transition state. After overcoming the activation energy barrier, the products settle at a higher energy level than the reactant. Endothermic reaction require an input of energy to process, leading to an overall increases in enthalpy. The peak of the curve represents the activation energy, which is the minimum energy needed for the reaction to occur. The difference between the reaction and product represents the enthalpy change, which is positive for endothermic reaction. This type of reaction is common in process like photosynthesis and the decomposition of calcium carbonate.
Pull your panties down from under